How to fix Instagram verification code not received, problem solved on Android or iOS phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix this problem easy and quick on Android or iOS phone. All you need to do here, go to settings, then go to battery, make sure power saving mode is disabled. Don't make it like that, just disable it if you found it like that. And then go back and go to apps if you have an Android phone, and then apps again. Now go to Gmail, click on it, click force stop, go to storage, clear cache, and then go to Instagram and do the same thing here. Click force stop, go to storage, clear cache. Now restart your phone and try again, and if you have an iPhone just close all the applications and restart your phone and try again, and that's it. Don't forget to like and see you in the next video.